So, take 2, 3, whatever. I don't know. I lost count at this point. This is just a small little update. This is just an updated version of the lens support. So you loosen that. Still, just if you need to bring it up and forward, but you shouldn't have to if you're keeping this arrangement in its right configuration. The only thing you should need to do is you just loosen this, and that allows you to bring this guy down a hair, take the lens off, put the 600 on, push it back up to support it, and snug it up. And as long as you're making sure to be mindful to keep it right on the ring, and then the other one, you know, just has that extra bit that you gotta tilt and keep out of the way. But main point is it should be in the same gap footprint. This distance to the body of the camera is the same relative distance for this lens or the 600. It's so it's just a matter of twisting this ring when you put it on, like you've been doing. But this hopefully should be a little bit better interface. You don't have to do an extra step. It's just release and then manually just move it up and down. Be mindful, this could come loose if you loosen this too much. See that blue bit is going in? If you loosen it a whole lot and get it loose, it comes free. So don't lose this. But that's meant because you can customize and make this higher or lower. But this should be the sweet spot height that I've already adapted it to. So it can just go in here, go right against it. Sorry. So I was just doing that, pushing with my thumb there, push it up, but you don't have to keep constant pressure. Like it holds pretty good one. And it's just snugging it up. And then your rig is good to go, minus, you know, putting the monitor on. And just be mindful, friendly reminder, when we're putting this away, you guys are doing great, but just make sure it goes, just kick that down so we're not putting a hole needlessly into the top. But yep, you put this down, we got this secure, and I would make the general default habit to throw this guy, just take this and put it, so keeping it safe in the lens holder case or glass filter case. That's good, that's good. And that's on. And that's ready to go. So this should be the default look and feel for this rig that's getting stored right here. And then just make sure to secure this bit. And this is meant to just keep it from doing this forward rocking motion and causing some other future problems. So it's not as much side to side. That's optimized by everything else. So just secure that strap. And then you got 2 spots for a battery 1 and battery 2 right there. Everything else is nice and clean still. So, so this only took away 1 stop and it gave us 2 more on top. So 3 to 7 was the exchange on that other one. I don't know. All right, have a good one.